So namaskar students, now we will be solving the Arihant practice set second, right? So how was it? Was it easy or difficult? Yes, it
Sir,
was easy.
maths was difficult and other subject also, sir, it was easy.
Okay, good. So now if you see math section, isn't it? So now the first question, right? So for a paint cloth required must be what? Yes, for a
1 meter 20 centimeter.
it is for a pant cloth required must be 1 meter 20 centimeter. Then how much cloth would it be taken to have such 24 such plants? So 1 meter 20 centimeters means 1.2 meter, yes, or 1.20 meter, because 1 centimeter means 1 meter means 100 centimeters, 1.20 meter. Now for 24 pants we need to multiply with 24 pints. So if you multiply, what will be the answer? 288, right? So that is how much?
2880, sir.
So 2880. So 2
Zero.
decimal place means 2 decimal place here you give it and meter. So 28.28 meter and 80 centimeter will be the answer. Okay, understood? So answer is option D here.
D.
Okay, good. Next, second, represent the number of sugar sacks sold in 4 months. So one sack is one, that is representation is 120. So there are how many here? 4, 2, then 3, then here 5. So total are how many? If you add 6
Total
and
will
8,
be
14.
sir,
Yes,
yes, sir.
1 means how much? 1
120.
bag. Okay, 1 bag means 120. So 14 bag means how much? 14 into 120. And they are telling remain with how much? That is 520 sugar sacks. So plus 520 sugar sacks. So total will be this. Okay, understand? So if
Yes,
you
sir.
multiply, what will be the answer? 14 12s are how much? Yes. Hmm?
Sir, 168.
Okay.
1680, sir.
Yes. One is 14 12s are how much?
1680.
So 168 and then 0 here. 1680 plus 520. If you do, it will be how much? Yes. So 1700 2200.
2200.
So
100.
2200 option A. Okay now? Okay, good. Next is third. The ratio of 2.5 meter and 0.75 centimeter is. So 2.5 meter. So first is 2.5 meter we have to take divided by how much? That is 0.75 centimeter. Okay. So here 2.5 meter means how many centimeter? 250 centimeter. You have to multiply with 100, and here 0.75 centimeter. Okay, so here now it is in centimeter both. Here 250 divided by 75, 2 decimal places if you shift, you have to multiply the numerator with 100, right? So I did it. Now 25 tens are 250, 25 threes are, so 100 into 10, 100 into 10 is how much? Yes, 1000. So 1000 will be the answer, that is 1000 divided by how much? Tell me. 3. Because so this is 10,000 divided by 3 means 1000 is to 3. Answer is option C here. Okay, got it? Next, fourth one. A DVD player was purchased for 4860 rupees and sold at a profit. Profit means plus, so 25% profit. So 25% of the cost price. So 25% of cost price, that is 25% of how much? cost price, that is 4860. 25% will be 25 by 100 or 1/4. You can find 1/4 also. 1/4 of 4860, it will be how much? That is 25 fours are 1/4 only. So 4 you divide. So 4 ones are 2s are, and 4 ones are 4, 2 will be remaining, 4 5s are. So 1215. That is, we have to add it. 1215 answer, right? So that is the profit. So selling price will be cost price plus how much? Profit, right? So cost price is 4860 plus 1215. If you do, what answer will come as 6000? Tell me. 75. 6075 means option C here. Understood? Yes? Any doubt? Hopefully it is easy. Easy question paper, isn't it? Yes? Okay. So now let's go
Sir,
next.
maths.
So students, next question. So let us do it. That is fifth, right? So how to do fifth? A car travels a certain distance from town A to town B at a speed of 42 km per hour, and from town B to town A at a speed of 48 km per hour. So what is the average speed of the car? In this scenario, in this situation, a car is going from A to B, they are told. First from town A to, it went to B, and again it came from B to A. So distance will be same. When the distance is same, we know what we have to do. Yes, average speed formula. Average speed formula is 2ab divided by a plus b. So that is 2ab divided by a plus b. So a means this is the speeds. A and b are speeds. What? A and b are speeds. So 2 into, first here 2ab means 2 into it is. Okay. So first speed is 42 kilometer and second speed is 48 kilometer, divided by here it is. So a plus b means 42 plus 48. Now if you cancel it out, you will get the answer. So it will be how much? Yes, tell me. So that is 42 plus 48, it is 90, right? So that is 90 here. Okay. So 90 means you have
Sir,
to divide.
what is the answer for that?
I will tell. See here. Okay. So this is 2 into 42 into 48 divided by how much? 90 now. Yes. So you cancel it out now.
Sir, we can't see the.
So now student, here 2 45s are 90. 45 we have to divide. So 45 and 48 will come in 3 table. So 15 3s are how much? Yes, 15 3s are 45. 16 3s are 48. Now 15 and 62, it will be nearly around point will come. Why point will come? Because it is 0. So here, otherwise you can directly guess the answer. How? Because this is 90. So because of 90, one decimal place will come. So in which answer decimal place is there? Option D, that is 44.8. That is the answer. Okay now? Understood? Yes? Okay. So that is hopefully understand. Alright? Next here. So what is the next question? So sixth one. So 800 becomes 956 in 3 years at a certain rate of interest. If the rate of interest is increased by 4%, what amount will 800 become in 3 years? Is the question. So first 800 became how much? 956, right? So how much is the interest? That is 800 to 956 means, if you minus, that is interest is 956 minus 800, it is 156. 156 rupees. Okay, so 156 rupees is the interest. So we got the interest. Now how do we find the rate? Time is also given. Time is how much? 3 years. This is the principal, this is the amount, right? So principal is 800, 3 years is the time. So how do we find the rate? Rate is equal to interest into 100 divided by PT. Interest is 156 into 100 divided by how much? Principal is 800 into time is 3. Now two zeros cancel out here. Now 8 you divide it. 8 how much? 8 1 is 8. 7 will be remaining. 76. Yes. So 76 means 8 how much? 8 9s 70. 2 4 will be remaining. So 8 5 is 40. 195.5. Again we have to divide with 3. So 3 how much? 3 6 is 18. Point 1 will be remaining. 3 5 is 15. So interest is 6.5%. Okay, rate of interest. Now they are telling, now after that what they are asking? Increase by 4%. Interest is increased by 4%. So increase means we have to add more. So rate will become 6.5 plus 4 means that is 10%, 10.5%. Now it became 10.5. So if it became 10.5, what will be the amount that is you will get, right? So what amount will 800 become in 3 years? Otherwise directly you can do, you don't have to do that much also. Why? You know, so you just find 4%. 4% of 800. 800 into 4 into 3 divided by 100 you do means 20 cancel. 4 3s are 12, 12 8s are 96. You just add 96 to 956. It will be how much? Carry 1, then 15, carry 1, 1052. So 1052 is the answer. You don't have to do this much also, right? Understand? So directly, because they are asking directly 4% increase, so directly you add the 4%. Okay na? Yes, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
So 4% is their rate, 4% increase. So 4% increase means how do we find the interest? Interest is, that is PTR by 100. So principal is 800 rupees here. For the 800 rupees, time is 3 years. So principal time is 3 years, rate of interest is 4% now. So 4% increase here. Divided by how much? 100. So these two cancels. 8 3s are 24. 24 4s are how much? 96 rupees more. So before amount was how much? 956. Then 4% more means how much it is? That is 96. If you add, you will get 1052. So that is the answer directly. You don't have to do that much also. Got it? Yes? Okay. So hopefully you may be sleeping. Yes? No answers, no interactions. Yes? Everyone is sleeping? The average of 4 consecutive odd numbers is. Okay. So listen. Then you should tell something. Huh? Okay, no, nothing like that, or doubts. Huh? Average of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 1. A, B, C, D is 44. What is the product of A and D? They are telling about odd numbers. Okay, what they are telling? They are telling about odd numbers. Okay, so if you take first odd number as x, second odd number will be x plus 2, like 1. After 1, 3 will come, right? So that is 1 plus 2, odd numbers only. Then after that 5, right? That is 1 plus 4 we have to do, isn't it? So like that. So I am writing, if x is the number, x plus 2, and then x plus how much? 4, and x plus 6. Okay. Okay, now 4 numbers are there here now. X, if it is x plus 3, and then x plus 5, and then x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. Okay, so we know consecutive numbers, if it is a pattern, we take first number plus last number by 2, so average it will be, so x plus 6 by 2 will be 44, or you can take sum, whichever is easy you do. Which should you do, first plus last sort, or we should take sum? So first plus last would be easy. X plus first number is x, last number is x plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 44 average. So this 2, if you take that side, it will become multiplication. So 44 into 2, it will be 88. Okay, yes, so that is 44 into 2, it will become 88. Okay, and then x plus x is 2x. Okay, so 2x plus 6 is 88. So if you take that 6 that side, it will minus, plus will become minus. So 88 minus 6 is how much? 82. So x will be 82 divided by 2 is 41. Okay, understand? So first number is 41. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
here
they said
first,
like that, not
okay,
2,
okay.
4 into 44 minus 6.
Yes. So first number is how much? 41, right? 41, then plus 6 is 47. So 47 means you can easily do that. So 41 into 47, it will be how much? 47 into 41. Yes, that is,
Sir,
okay. So you can do that. So, or I will tell a shortcut. So 44, we know continuous numbers, consecutive pattern will be middle number. So middle is 44. We need 4 numbers, right? So this side 2, this side 2. This is the even number. Odd numbers behind, this is, they are telling odd numbers. So odd numbers will be 45 and 43. Before 43 will be 41, and after 45 will be 47. So what is the first number? This is the middle number. Always average will be middle. Okay na? So 41 into 47. First number is 41 and last number is 47. If you multiply, what answer you will get? 1927. Answer is option A. Okay? Fine. Yes. So that is how you have to do. Okay. So next question. Should we go?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do the 8th question. What is it?
Sir, I doubt in this question itself, sir.
Okay. So Summer spends 52% of his monthly salary on what? Household expenditure, and 23rd percent is on miscellaneous expenditure. If he left with 4,500, what is his monthly salary? So in 100%, salary will be full, means full salary. 100%.
Yes.
In that 100%, he spent 52% on household expenditure. 52% gone means how much will be remaining? 48.
Yes, sir.
And in that 48 again he spent 23% miscellaneous expenditure. How much will be remaining? Yes,
25%.
25%. This 25% they are asking remaining. This is the remaining. Okay, so remaining is 25%. 25% is how much? 4,500 rupees. So what is his monthly salary? Monthly salary means full salary na?
Yes, sir.
Full will be how much? 100%.
Yes, sir.
You cross multiply, you will get the answer. Yes, so 4,500 into 100 divided by 25. 25 fours are 100. So you multiply with 4, so it will be 18,000. Answer is option C. Right? So 4,500 into 4, it will be 18,000. Okay now? Yes? Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
ninth question. The cost of 12 kg of wheat is 228. What will be the cost of 112 kg? It is easy, direct. Will you do homework? Yes?
Yes, sir. It was very easy.
Now, 10th.
Like cross multiply.
Yes. 74% of a number is this. What is the number? 74, same as this 8th question. 74% is how much? 1406.
Sir,
Number.
cross multiply.
Yes, number means full number. They are asking. Full means how much? Yes?
100.
100%. Cross multiply. Okay na? Will you do it and find the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next, 11th one. HCF of 30 and 114 is how much? It is easy. Yes? Which
Sir,
number?
6 no, sir.
Yes, 6 will be the answer. Okay? So which table will both come? 3 table. 3 tens are and 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. Again we can divide with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 19s are, that is 38. Now we cannot divide. So not common. So 3 2s are how much? 6 is the answer. Okay? Understand? Next here, 12th question. Find the area of rectangular plot 80 km long and 60 meter wide. What is the area? Length into breadth. Direct.
Yes, sir.
Length
Yes.
into breadth means 8 6 is how much?
48.
4800. Okay? Okay. So 1/5 of a right angle. 1/5 of a right angle means 1 by 5 into
Sir,
90 degree.
sir.
It will be how much? 18 degrees. Because
Sir, we have to
5
divide 90 with
18s are 5 18s are 90. Isn't it? Yes?
18 5 are 90.
Yes. Now 14th
Sir.
question. 14th now, find the profit or loss if cost price is this, selling price is this. So what will be the profit?
Sir, loss.
It is a loss. Yes, it is a loss. So because cost price is more, selling price is less. So cost price minus selling price, that is 550. If you minus, it will be how much?
Sir,
230. Option C here. Okay. So find the 25% of 1000. 25% means how much?
25 divided
25 by 100 into
1000.
1000. That is 1 by 4th because 25 4s are 100. 4 how much are? 4 250
Sir,
is a
250.
1000. 4 250 is a 1000. 250 answer. Okay. Option A. Find the average of 4 8 12 16. I told you this is a pattern. Pattern means what you have to do? First number plus last number or the middle number.
Divided by 2.
Yes, or the middle number. 8 and
Sir,
12
10
middle number will be
option C.
10.
Sir,
Yes.
normally
So-
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, see method.
No need of that. This is a pattern. All patterns. What we have to do?
16 plus 4, 20.
Ah.
20 divided by 2 is equal to
Yes, patterns average will be middle number. What it will be? Middle number. That is first plus last by 2. 16 plus
Sir.
4 by 2. 20 by 2 is 10. Answer. Okay.
Sir, this paper is easy.
Yeah, very very easy, right? Now find the value
Yes.
of these. So 2 plus 3 is there. 2 plus 3 you do it.
Sir,
That is
11 by
5.
4 plus.
Yes. So you can add. When there is addition you can do directly. That is, these are integers. That is whole number. So 2 plus 3 5. So 5 will come first. Okay. So 5 and 3 by 4 plus 5 by 8. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 8 you do it. So that is LCM will be 8 here. 5 as it is you keep it here. So 8 means here how much we have to multiply? 2s are. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5. Yes. 5 11 by 8. Okay. So they have given all in improper. So directly convert it into improper. So 8 how much? 5. 8 5 is 40. 40 plus 11. 51 by 8 answer. Option is option C. Okay na? Yes. Next 18th one. What is the LCM of these three numbers? LCM means what we have to do? Huh? Yes, we have to divide. Which number will divide? 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 12s are 36. Can you divide this 3? We cannot divide. Right? 94 as it is. Now after that, here 12 and 94 will come in two table. So 5 as it is. 2 6 are 12. 2 how much are? 2 8s are and 2 7s are 87. 87 and 5 and 6.
Sir,
They will not
sir,
come in.
it's 2 4s. Sir, it's 4s. Sir, 4s.
Ha. 2 4s are. Okay. 4s are. Yes, sorry. So 47 will come. So 47 is what? The prime number. So we cannot do. So we have to divide with 5 1s are, then 6 1s are and 47 1s are. So we have to multiply all of this. You will get the LCM. So will you find it multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So next simplify this. This is also easy. The answer should be 356. So make it is a 356. Okay, because 25 minus 7 is 18. Right? So 18. Now 368 minus 18 is how much?
Sir, 24 minus, no, 368 minus 24.
Yes. So this is 18th. Okay. This is 19th. So 368 minus how much? 18 plus 6. So 368 minus 18, 350 plus 6 is 356 answer. Okay, change the option A. Make it 356. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So now should we go to the next? That is 20. Find the sum of greatest 3-digit number and least 3-digit number. It is very easy. How much will be the answer? Greatest 3-digit number is
1099.
999. Smallest is 100. So if you add it, what answer will come?
1099.
Yes, 1099. Okay. Now 21. What is the complementary angle of 35? Complementary means how many degrees? 90 degrees. So we have to minus how much?
35 degrees.
35 degrees. So 90 minus 35 degrees, it will be how many degrees?
55 degrees.
55 degrees. 55 means answer option C here. Got it? Okay, good. So that is how you do. So now let us solve 22 question. 8 men can complete a piece of work in 12 days. So in how many days will 10 men complete? So it is people into days divided by people into days. So how many are there? 8 men,
12 into
12
8
days.
10.
8 men, 12 days. So 10 men, how many days means divided. So 8 12s are 96 by 10 means 9.6, or you divide with 2. They have, because they have given in this. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 how much are? 2 6 are 12. So 8 6 are 48 by 5. 48 by 5 means 9 and 3 by 5. Answer is option D here. Okay? Understood? Next 23. The cost of 4 kg apples is 520. How many kilograms of apple can be purchased for 195 rupees? So 520 rupees, how many apples? Yes, 4 kg. And 195 will be how much? We cross multiply. Yes. So 195 into 4 divided by 520. So will you cancel and find the answer? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, 24. The product of two numbers is this. If one number is 17 times the other, then what is the smaller number? So like this it is. First number is x means other number is 17 times. Like if it is 2, other number is 17 times means 17, that is 34. 17 to the 34, like that. So here if it you take x, it should be 17 times, that is 17x will be product means here we have to multiply those two numbers, isn't it? So that will be how many times? That is 2057. Now if you take this 17 other side, into will become division. So first we have to divide. Okay, what we have to do? We have to divide it with how much? 17. So 2057 divided by 17, and this x and x is there, 2 times means x square, so that will become root that side. So 17 you divide, 17 how much ja? 1 ja, 3 will be remaining, 17 2 ja 34, 1 will be remaining 121. 121 is square of which number?
11.
11. So answer is 11. Like this question they may ask. So what you have to do, just divide with this 17 and then take the square root. Take the square root. Okay. Next 25th. Angle of triangles are given. So are 4x, 5x and 7x plus 16. The value of angle A. A is how much? Here first one, that is 4x. So we have to find 4x. So total all the angle 4x, 5x and then how much? 7x plus 16. These are the three angles. So sum of all the three angles will be 180 degree. Now here how many x are there? 4x, 5x, 9x. 9x plus 7x, 16x. This plus 16 is there. So plus 16, if you take that side, it will minus. Right? It will minus. So 180 minus 16. It will be how much?
It will be 164.
164. Now you have to divide with 16. Yes? So x is,
It will not go.
you need to find 5x, right? Okay. So x is 164 divided by 16. You divide with 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. So 41 by 4. Right? X. But they are asking A angle. A angle is how much? 4x. 4x means 4 into x. 4 into x is 41 by 4. 4 4 cancel. 41 is the answer. Right? Option B. Okay na? Next is what? 26. I am a prime number. If 2 is subtracted from me, I am still a prime number. 4 is subtracted from me, I am divisible by 13. What am I? Go with options. So if you subtract 2 here, it will become 15.
Sir, 19 answer option B.
If you subtract 2, it will become 15. This is not a prime number. Gone. If you subtract 2, it will become 17. This is a prime number. Now if you subtract how much? 4 next. So 19 minus 4 is how much? 15.
15.
Is it divisible by 13?
No, sir.
Not possible. Okay. Now 43. Subtract 2. 41. Subtract 4. It is how much? 39. So that is 39 is divisible by 13. So 39 3s are. So 43 is the answer. Okay. Understood?
Sir, from 19, you have to first minus 2 and then minus 4. No?
Not consecutively from the same number. 19 we have to minus first 2 and then 4, not from the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
uh, Now 27, find the quotient when is divided by 2.7. So 54.675 divided by how much? 2.7. So this here 1 point shift means here also 1 point shift. So here 546.75 divided by 27. Now you divide with 9 table. 9 3s are how much? 27. 9 6 are 54. 6 is smaller, 0, then point, right? So it will be 20 answer, option D. Yes, because 60 is coming. So if you again you divide with 3, it will become 20, right? Isn't it? So that will be the answer. Okay, so 20 point. So 20 point is option D here. Got it? So answer will be 20 point, that is option D. Okay. Now next 28, the unit digit of this product is how much? So 6 5s are how much? 30. So 30 means it will be 0, right? Yes. Next here, that is 29. What least number must be added to this to obtain the number which is completely divisible by 21? So what must be added, they are asking. So here you divide it in a normal division. So 2529 with 21. 21 ones are 21. 4 will be remaining. 42. 21 how much are? 21 twos are 42. 0 will come. 9 we have to take. So for
Sir, 9 only
9,
answer, sir.
yes, no, that is remainder. We have to
Yes, sir.
remove 9. So for 9, how much we should add to get 21? So
12.
that it will be
12.
21 ones are 21. Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you
So
add
12 we should add.
12, if you add 12, it will become 21. Now 21 ones are 21 we can make and 0. Remainder it will be divisible. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So that answer will be 12 here. If they ask what to be minus, then we have to take 9 because that will be remainder. Understand? Okay, now 30 question. Find the greatest possible length that can measure exactly this. Greatest possible length. Greatest means highest. What you have to do? HCF you have to find. HCF of 4 meter 50 centimeter means how many centimeter it is? 450 centimeter. And this is 5 meter 85 centimeter means how much? 585 centimeter. So we have to find the LCM of these two, 450 and 585. It will be divisible with 5. 5 9s are
45.
zeros.
45.
Yes, 5 ones are 5. Okay, good. So 5 ones are 5. Here how much?
Sir, 117, sir. 170.
Yes. So 9 you divide. 9 tens are 90. 9 ones are 9.
And
2 will be 9. 9
3,
threes are
13, sir.
now 10 and 13. It will not be coming. So HCF 5 and 9 means how much?
45.
9 5s are 45 or 5 9s are 45. Okay, now answer
Yes,
is
sir.
option C here. Okay, good. Next 31 is what? Area of rectangle is 18 centimeter square and
Sir,
its
3
length
centimeter
is
answer. So easy.
6 centimeter. Breadth will be length into
Sir,
breadth.
area by length.
Yes, length into
Area
breadth
by
is
length.
area, right? So if you want to find breadth, then
Area by length. Sir,
Area
3
by
centimeter.
length, area by length. Area is 18. Yes, 3 centimeter is the answer. 3 6 are, isn't it? Or you go with option 6. How much are 6 5s are 30? Not possible. 6 4s are 24. 6 3s are 18. You go with options also. Okay, now. Yes. Now 32. What is the question? The area radius of a circle is 14. The length of the semicircle approximately is. So semi means half. Semi means half. So perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Yes. So 2 pi r half will be, semi means half. What? Semi means half. So circumference will be 2
Divided
pi
by
r.
2.
Circumference is 2 pi r. For that 2 pi r we have to divide with how much? 2.
2.
So 2 pi r, 2 cancel. So it will be pi r. Right? Pi means 22 by 7 into r. Radius is how much they are given? 14. So 14. So 2 how much?
So 44. That's 44.
2 7 2 is 14. 14 22 into 2 is how much? 40.
44.
Okay, 44. With that we have to add how much? Radius. That is diameter, because this is a 2 radius. This is a diameter, right? Yes. So diameter means that is 14
So
to the
plus we
28.
should add 18, sir. 18.
28 we have to add.
Sir,
Because
28,
14
sir.
to the.
28.
So 14 to the how much? 28. We
28.
have to add. So it will be how much?
72 centimeter.
72 centimeter. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Circumference is 2 pi r, but we have to add diameter. This is the 28 is the diameter. Diameter is how much? 14 2 is 28. Okay now? Understand? Okay, good. So now let's go to 33 question. Vipan buys the article for 500 rupees, sells it to Mayank at profit of 20%. Find the price paid by Mayank. So Vipan how much? That is the cost price. Is how much? 500 rupees. 20% profit means 20% of 500. So 20 divided by 100 into 500. So 2 zeros. 2 5s are 25 is 100 rupees is the profit. So Mayank Yam paid how much? Selling price will be cost price plus profit. That is 500 plus 100. It will be how much?
600.
Yes, 600. Okay. Got it? Next,
Sir?
34.
Sir, you can look at this also, like we can directly go for option B itself, sir, because 300 or less, that is loss.
Yes, that is how should be the shortcut. Right? These are all less. So less means loss. So not possible. 500 is also not possible because that is a profit. Right? So answer will be B only. Okay? Good. Next, 34. 360-meter long train crosses a signal post in 18 seconds. What is the speed of the train? So 360 meter in 18 seconds. So directly you divide it. What will be the answer? Meter per second you find it.
20.
So speed will be distance by time. Distance is 360 meter in how many seconds? 18 seconds. So 18 2s are how much?
20, sir.
20. That is 18 2s are 36. 36 means 20 will be the answer. 18 2s are 36. So 20 is a. So 20 meter per second it is. So
18
kilometer
by-
per hour it will be how much?
Into 18 by 5.
Hmm?
Sir,
Yes.
18 by 5. Into 18 by 5.
Into 18 by
18
5. So
18 by
5 4s are how much? 20. So
Plus
18
72.
4 into 18 is 72 kilometer per
72, sir.
hour. Okay. Option D here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next 35. The owner of a television shop charges his customer 16% more than the cost price. If the customer pays this much, then what is the cost price of the television? Same. 16% more means that is the profit. So here it is cost price is how much? Customer pays. So this This is the cost price. Let's take 100%. Now how much more? 16% more. Selling price will be 116%. Right? They are telling that cost price. The customer pays. Customer pays means this is the 116. That is the selling price he will pay. So selling price 116% is how much? Tell me. 16588. They are asking the cost price. Cost price how much we have to take? That is the 100%. 100% will be how much? Cross multiply, you will get the answer. So here 16588 divided by 116 into 100. Now you divide it. 4 how much? 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are. So 4 4s are 4 1s are, right? 4 4s are 16. Again 1 will be remaining. Yes, 2 will be remaining. 4 7s are. Now 29. So 29 means which table? Direct. We cannot take anything other than that. So 29 table you divide. Yes. Okay. Yes. So 29. 29 ones are 29. How much are? 29 ones are 29. How much will be remaining? 12. So 124. So 29 how much are? 29 fours are. So 29 fours is how much? 116. Fours is 116. 1 4. 1 4 is there in which option?
Option
A. Right? It
yes
will
sir.
come 1 4 something something. 1 4 is there in option A. Okay?
Sir
1 4
14300.
14,300. Okay?
Yes 14,300.
Yes. Okay, 143 into 100, that is 143 into 100, it will be 14,300. Okay. 36. 1 by 0.04, it will be how much? Yes, that is we have to multiply with above 100, that is 1 into 100 divided by 4, because this will go two places means we have to multiply above with 0, that is 20 decimal place zeros. So 100 divided by 4, 425 is a 100.
25.
So 25 is the answer.
25.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now 37. The cost price of 4 balls and 9 bottles
Sir
is how
it is
much?
bowl.
Ball. Okay, fine. 37. 4 balls and 9 bottles is this. What will be the cost of 8 balls and 12 bottles? So 4 ball and 9 bottles is how much? 142.5. Now how many bowls? 8 bowls and 12 bottles. So how much we have to multiply with? That is not possible actually. We cannot find.
Sir, I
Can't
also
be
took
determined.
option D, sir.
Because if you do with multiply with 2, you will get 4 to the 8, 9 to the 18.
Yes sir,
We
cannot
can
be
find for
determined.
18 but not for 12. So can't be determined. Understood?
Yes sir.
Hmm. So students, we cannot determine if it is 18. So but that may be 6 if it is 6. So see here, if this is instead of 9 bottles, if it is 6 bottles, we can take it 6 bottles, then double it means it will get 12 bottles. 6 2s are 12. So here also we have to double. It will be how much? 285. Okay. So you should do like this. Understood? Next, 38. The average of 8 men is increased by 2 years when 2 of them whose age 21 years and 23 years are replaced by 2 new men. The average of the 2 new men is, okay, so average of 8 men is increased by 2 years. Hmm? When the 2 men whose age is 21 years and 23 years are replaced by new men. Okay, so now there are 8 men total. 8 men are there. Average, let's take first x. 8 into x, that is the sum. Plus so whose age is 21 years and 23 years are replaced by 2 new men. Okay, so in that it is who is replaced, so 8 into that becomes increased by 2 years. So 2 years means x plus 2. So their average, if you take, so students see here, so they are telling 8 men, I will tell the shortcut. 8 men are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Average increased by 2. So 8 men average increased by 2 means how much increase? 1 man is 2. So 8 men will be 8 into 2.
16.
Yes, 16 years it should increase. Yes. So but here initially how much was there? Before it was 21 plus 23. It is 14.
44.
44. So now how much should be increased? 16. So 44 plus
28.
16 is 60.
Plus
60. So sum is 60 and average will be for 2 people. So sum of those two, sum of 2 people is 60. Right? Average will be
Yes, sir.
sum divided by total, that is 60 by 2. It will be how much? 30. Answer.
30.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay na? So once
Sir,
again that is,
instead of 2 years, if they get 3 years means,
just
we should
multiply with 3
8
here.
into 3 we should do, sir.
Yes, here 8 into 3. Okay na?
Sir, then what will get sum divided by 3, sir?
2 people only. Sum, that is
Okay.
how do you find average? Sum divided by total number. 2 people are there, 2 people only.
Okay.
Understood? So the D
Yes,
is the
sir.
answer. Okay? Got it, Adya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next here. So 39. The ages of A and B are in the ratio 2:3 respectively 6 years. Hence the ratio of their ages will be 8:11. What is the present age? Now if you take present age, A and B ages is ratio is 2:3. 6 years hence. 6 years will be how much? A plus 6 and B also B plus 6 years. That is 8:11. You cross multiply. So how much? A plus
Sir,
6.
66 by
11 into A plus 6 is equal to 8 into B plus 6. Otherwise go with option. Better instead of doing this much, what you should do? Directly go with options. Directly they have given B's age, right?
yes, sir.
So they have given B's age. So that is B's age is how much? Hmm?
3. So the
If you take option A, yes. What is the B's percentage? If you take option A, so B is how much?
3 years.
Hmm. A means that is 18.
Yes.
3 6 are
Yes, sir.
18. And A will also be
2 6.
2 6 are 12. So after that 12 by 18. After 6 years, hence we have to check that also. 6 years. After 6 years means 12 plus 6 and 18 plus 6. Right? So it will be
18
18 by
by 24.
24. If you cancel, will you get 8 by 11? Yes?
No, sir. Sir, we'll get 9 by 7.
You will not get 8 by 11. Okay, na?
3 by 4 we'll get.
That is 6 3s are and 6 4s are. Not 8 by 11. Okay?
Can you do it now and that after 8 by 20, 18 by 20? Because it's
Okay.
like going in this color.
Yes. So here, hmm, hmm, okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So here, that will become how much? 3 by 4, not 8 by 11. Not possible.
11.
Now B, if you take, so 2 by 3 is there. So B
3
option if you
equals
take,
24, sir.
hmm?
And 3 8, sir.
So
24.
27 means B option 27 means 3 nines are and 2 nines are 18. Yes? Yes? So
Yes, sir.
now here's after that 6 years. How many years?
24 by 31.
6
Sir,
years.
24 by 33.
24 by
Sir, 33.
33. It will come because how much? 3 you divide it. 3 11s are
Sir, 8 by 11
3
it will
8s are
get.
8 by 11.
Sir, this
So
one
that is the
answer.
answer option B. Understood?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
Okay. Next 40 question. Cost price of an article is 40% of the selling price. The present percent that the selling price is of cost price. Okay? Yes? Let's take
Sir,
cost price is 100. Cost price of an article is 40% of selling price. If you take selling price as 100 rupees, cost price is 40% of selling price, that is 40 rupees. Yes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So then the percent that SP is of CP. SP is how much? SP of
100.
CP means SP by CP into 100% we have to do. Yes. So selling price is 100 divided by cost price is 40 into 100%.
Into 100.
Right?
So 0 0 cancel.
0 0 cancel. So 4 25
25
is
sir.
100. 25 tens are
250%, sir.
250%. Option is option
Option
A.
A,
What
sir.
fraction of 2 is 1.5? So 1.5 divided by 2. It will be how much? 15 by 20. 1 decimal place cancels means this here it will become 20. So 5 3s are 5 4s are 3 by 4 answer. Right? 18 rows in a park can park 80 cars. Stand in every row. 18 rows in a park, 80 cars stand in every row. Then how many cars will stand in the park? So there are total how many cars? Right? In one row 80 cars. There are how many rows? 18 rows. Every row 80 cars. 18 rows means directly 80 into 18.
Multiplication, sir.
Yes.
1440 option D.
1440 option D. Okay na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 4 is added to each, then the ratio will become 5 by 8. The numbers are, go with options like this, 39. Will you do or should I do?
Sir, what will do?
A ratio is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 you divide it. You should find and divide, right? So is it 3 by 5 here? 6. How much? 6 tens are 6 6 are 36, 6 tens are. Again we can divide with actually how much? 12. 12 3s are 36, 12 5s are 3 is to 5 is coming. And then we have to add 4. If 4 is added to each, so then 36 will become 40 and 60 will become 64. 40 by 64. If you divide with 4, answer will be 4 tens are 4 16s are. Again we can divide with 4 means 8. 8 5s are 64. 8 8s are 64. So 5 by 8 is coming here. So that is the answer. Understand?
Yes, sir. Option A.
Option A only the answer. Got it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very easy question paper. So now 44 question. A does a work in 16 days and B does the same work in 32 days. In how many days will A and B together do the same work?
Sir, is it 12 or 32, sir?
That is 32. So A is in 16 days, B is in 32 days. That is the double, means half. So together if they do, this is 1 means this will be half, 1 and half. So it will be together do the thrice the same work. Thrice the same work means it will be actual 1/3. So half will be 8. So 12 days. 12 into 36. 36 is the answer here. Yes?
Sir, can you say once again?
So it is 3 times the work. It is 3 times means we have to multiply 3 times. Okay? So here A is 16 days. So 1 day will be how much? 1 by 16.
1 by 16.
B will be 1
1
day
by
will be
32.
1 by 32.
1 by
Total together means you have to add. Yes? Together means you have to add 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32. 32 will be the LCM, 2 we have to multiply. So 32
Yes.
into 3. 32.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 32 will be the answer, not 36. Sorry. So 3 by 32. Now together 3 by 32 they will do. So now total days will be, yes, reciprocal we have to take. Isn't
Sir,
it?
96 by 9, no, sir.
Huh?
96 by 9.
Yes, 32 by 3. Isn't it? So 32 by 3 means that is 3 times work. They are telling thrice. Right? So thrice means it will be
96 by 9.
into 3. 3 cancel. So 32 answer. 96 why do you
Okay,
do? You cancel it out. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Next 14. 5. Okay. Cover a distance of 1500 meter in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. My speed is. So how much meter? 1500 meter in distance by speed. Speed is distance by time. So 2 minutes 30 seconds. 2 minutes 30 seconds means how much?
2.5.
2.5, 2.5. Yes?
Yes, sir.
2.5 means how many seconds? 60 plus,
2.5
that is
to
120. 2 minutes
90
means
seconds.
120 plus
150.
30, that is 150 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So this is
Yes,
meter,
sir.
this is 150 seconds. So 1010 cancel, 15 tens are 150. So speed is 10 meter per
Into
second.
18 by 5.
We have to convert it
Sir,
into
answer
kilometer
36.
per hour. So we have to multiply with 18 by 5. It will be in kilometer per hour. 5 to the 10. 18 to the
36.
36 is the answer. Okay.
See, sir.
Yes. Now 44, 46. A certain principal amounts to 13,700, 3,700 in 2 years, and to 4,000 in 3.5 years. The simple interest of the principal. Find the principal they are telling. A certain principal amounts to 3,700 in 2 years and 4,000 in 3.5 thousand, 3.5%. That is 3.5 years. Okay, go with options. What you should do?
Go with options. Go with options. Go with options.
So if you take A option, principal is 3,000. Okay, they are telling amount. So principal amounts to. So that is amount is 3,700. Interest will be 3,700 minus 3,000. It is 7,000. 700 is for 2 years. 1 year will be
Manasi of your mind.
2 years is 700. 1 year will be 350.
3,500.
350 half, right?
Yes, sir.
Because it is 2 years. So here half. Okay, I have directly taken. So 350 upon now this is the interest for 1 year. Interest we got, principal we got, time we got. Yes, rate of interest will be how much? So 2 years is 700. 1 year will be 350. Same you do for this also. That is principal is 3,000, amounts to 4,000, right? So interest is 1,000. Directly I have minus 4,000 minus 3,000. And time is how much? 3.5 years is how much? Means 3.5 years is 1,000. 1 year will be how much? 1,000 by 3. 3.5 means it is, we cannot divide because it will come in 7 table, so it will not be 350. So we have to go with other options. Yes, will you do like this and find the answer?
Yes, sir.
Or you can do one more shortcut. I thought A will be the answer, so I did, but A is not the answer.
Sir, what is the answer, sir?
Wait, I will do. So here rate will be interest into how much? 100 divided by principal into time, PT. So interest here first case, in first case, that is amount they have given 3,700. So amount means we have to do so long process. We go with options only. So here interest is there. Interest into 100 divided by how much? Principal into time. So principal cancel here. Time is different, so we cannot cancel the interest here. Okay. So here it will be we can cross multiply now. So this is second time, this is first time, this is second time. So first time interest into 100 is 100 interest. Time is how much first time? 2 years. Okay, here interest is how much? That is we don't know. So 100 interest divided by time is how much? 3.5 means 3.5 years. Cross multiply it. Yes, so 3.5 into 100. Yes,
Sir, 350. 350, sir.
350 interest and that side 200. So rate we don't know. That is a difficult thing. Otherwise should we do with formula only, because this is not coming. Huh? Yes.
Okay, sir.
It is a complex question. This type of questions will not come. Okay, because they will give either principal either interest. Okay, you can leave this also. So see here, I will solve this in a original method. So certain principal amounts to 3700. So amount means principal plus interest. Okay now. So principal plus interest. So that is how much? First it is how much? That is 3700. Okay now. So that is amount. So that is principal plus interest. Interest means PTR by 100. So principal plus how much? PTR by 100. Interest means P plus PTR by 100. Okay. So I will write it here. So principal is how much? P only. We don't know. Time is 2 years. Rate of interest also we don't know. Divided by 100. Okay now. So second time it is how much? Yes, 4000 rupees. Principal is P plus PTR by 100, same P into T is time, 3.5 means 3.5, rate of interest divided by 100. Now what happens? Here PP is there, right? So what we will do? We will divide these two. What we will do? We will divide these two. So if you divide these two, P is there in both, so we can take it as common, right? So P means here 1 will be there, 1 plus TR divided by 100. We can write like this. So here I will do some changes. Okay now? Yes. So here P into 1 plus 2R divided by 100, and then here also P into 1 plus 3.5 5R divided by 100. Yes, PP cancel out. Okay. Yes, so that is 3700 means 2 zeros cancel out. That is 37 by 40 is equal to 1 plus 2R. You take LCM, that is 100. So 100 plus 2R. 100 plus how much? 2R is divided by, here also 100 plus 3R, right? 3.5R. Yes. So this much is not required. They will not ask this type of questions. Leave it. Yes, you can do that, simplify and you will get the answer. Okay, understand? So this is not required. Okay, leave it, because this much difficult question will not come. Next, so you can find the rate, then again you have to find the principal. So leave it. So 46 is there, or you can go with option. So not required. 47 should we solve? Tell me. The room has a dimension of this much. The cost of carpeting, the rate is. So how do we find the cost? Rate into area. So rate into area. Rate is how much? That is 112.40 into area is how much? Direct. Length into breadth. That is 13 into 9. So 13 nines are. Is how much? So 12.4 into 117. If you multiply, you will get the answer. Yes, will you multiply and find? Okay,
yes,
do it. 48. Two cubes have their volumes in the ratio 1:27. Find their ratio of surface areas. So volume means how? Volume means cube. Cube volume will be a cube. that is 3 times length into length into length, all will be same. Length into breadth into height means length into length 3 times multiply means a cube. So here a cube ratio means divided 1 by 27. So here 1 cube and 3 cube 27 means 3 cube, 1 means 1 cube also we can write. So here a is how much? That is here 1 and here 3. So surface area, how do we find surface area? Total surface area, TSA. Surface area means total surface area. So TSA divided by TSA. So that is 6a square by 6a square. So 6 cancel. A square, a is 1 here, 1 square. A is 3 here, 3 square. It will be 1 by 9. 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9. So 1 by 9 answer. Understood? Yes? So here answer will be 1 by 9, isn't it? So you can write it down. Next question 49, right? Raju has 10 notes of 500 denomination and 50 notes of 100 denomination and 3 notes of 1000 denomination. Total money. So 10 into 500, 5000 and then 50 into 100. 50 into 100 is how much?
500.
5,000,
1000.
right? 5,000 and 3 notes of 1000, that is 3,000. So it will be 10,000, 13,000 total.
13,000.
Option
Yes,
B
sir.
na? Yes? Okay. So next 50 question. So what is it? The following answers are question. What is the ratio between the present students on Monday and Friday? Monday is how many students? 40 students. Friday is how many students? 30 students. So
30.
ratio will be 40 by 30 means 4 by
3.
3. 4 is to 3. Answer option B here. Got it? Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here should we do the next sections?
No, sir.
Little bit, not required. You will do. That is GK and mental ability you will
Sir, we'll
practice.
do GK, sir.
Any doubt here? No doubt?
No, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, how there will be doubts, sir. You only
Hmm.
explained.
Okay, fine. So,
Sir,
ಏನಮ್ಮ?
I didn't understood one question, sir.
Which?
26.
Okay, I will explain. Okay, so good. Everyone practice well. Understand? Okay.
Okay, sir.